Good evening. My name is Elena Pepina, and today I am Skyway Invest Group consultant. Also, I'm presenting this company globally and also in office because I'm Skyway London's office manager. Why I'm here today? Because my purpose is to share this information, because information is the success. And unfortunately, the English language is not my first language, so I do really struggle express my feelings. But through to Harry's offered training, I really want to learn how I can improve my speaking, how I improve my posture, how I can speak, and how I can give you everything what is in my head, in my heart. If you want to know more about the Harry, if you want to know about me, about the Skyway Invest Group, please find me on a Facebook, which is my name is Elena Pepina, or a LinkedIn. Thank you.